The era of robots being just a lab experiment is officially over. Right now, in a major electronics factory in Nanchang, China, something historic is happening on the production line. A fleet of Agibot G2 humanoids has been officially deployed into a live mass production environment for consumer electronics. This isn't a stage demo or a controlled test. It is the world's first large-scale application of physical AI in a high-precision manufacturing setting. These robots are now working alongside human operators, making real-time decisions and handling the complex tasks required to build the devices we use every day. To understand why this is a massive leap forward, you have to look at how industrial robots used to work. For decades, factory robots were essentially blind machines. They followed a rigid, preset loop of movements. If a part on the conveyor belt was moved by just 1 inch, or if a component was tilted the wrong way, the old robots would fail. They couldn't see or think, they just moved. But the Agibot G2 is different. It uses what is called Embodied AI or physical AI. This means the robot perceives its environment much like a human does. In the current deployment at Longcheer Technology, a major manufacturer of tablets and smart devices, the G2 robots are working at testing stations. They identify, pick up, and load materials into testing boxes with incredible precision. If a part is misaligned, the robot senses it and adjusts its grip in real time. If it detects an anomaly, it knows to set that part aside for a human worker to inspect. It is the difference between a simple machine and an intelligent worker. The efficiency data from this deployment is already turning heads. Field reports show that a single G2 robot can process 310 units per hour, with a cycle time of about 20 seconds per operation. Most importantly, the success rate has exceeded 99.9%. This level of reliability is exactly what the manufacturing industry has been waiting for to finally move toward fully automated, intelligent production lines. What is even more impressive than the technology itself is the incredible speed of Agibot's growth. Just a few weeks ago, in March 2026, Agibot officially rolled out its 10,000th humanoid robot. This is a milestone that very few companies in the world can claim. To put that in perspective, it took Agibot nearly 2 years to produce their first 1,000 units. They then scaled from 1,000 to 5,000 in about a year. But the jump from 5,000 to 10,000 happened in just 3 months. This exponential growth proves that Agibot has mastered the supply chain and manufacturing process for humanoid robots. They are no longer building prototypes in a lab. They are mass-producing intelligent labor. According to their CTO, Peng Zhihui, this shift marks the transition from seeking technical viability to delivering scalable value. They aren't just proving that robots can work, they are proving that they should work. To make this technology even more accessible, Agibot introduced a groundbreaking robot-as-a-service model at the Mobile World Congress earlier this year. Instead of requiring a massive upfront investment to buy a fleet of robots, companies can now lease them. They've introduced flexible rental plans that lower the barrier to entry significantly. For some models, the cost is comparable to a standard monthly salary, making it a viable option for even medium-sized factories. This leasing model is likely what will drive the next wave of global adoption as Agibot expands its reach into Europe, Singapore, and North America. You might be wondering how these robots learned to perform such specific, delicate tasks so quickly. The secret lies in the Agibot World 2026 dataset. Agibot has been collecting data from thousands of real-world scenarios using a method called imitation learning. Essentially, the AI watches human workers perform a task, analyzes the force and precision required, and then practices that movement millions of times in a digital simulator. By the time the robot reaches the factory floor, it has already mastered the task. By recently open sourcing a large portion of this dataset, Agibot is positioning itself as the leader of the entire embodied AI ecosystem. While the G2 is the powerhouse of the factory, Agibot is also showing that they can handle the human side of robotics. Their latest X2 Ultra model focuses on interaction rather than just production. It features emotional AI and a vision-language-action architecture. This allows the robot to recognize faces, respond to complex voice instructions, and even display lifelike expressions. It's a clear signal that Agibot's vision isn't limited to just factories. They are building a full portfolio of robots, from industrial workers to interactive assistants and research platforms. The race to build the first truly useful humanoid robot has reached a turning point. We are moving away from flashy videos and entering the era of real-world utility. Agibot is currently leading that charge, showing us that the future of the assembly line is already here. What do you think about seeing robots take over precision tasks in factories? Is this the inevitable evolution of manufacturing, or is the transition happening too fast? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious to hear what you think about this shift toward physical AI. If you enjoyed this update on the robotics revolution, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.